Hey you guys, it's Marianne, and I just wanted to follow up with a video about what we're going to do moving into the last of our class. So we really only have 2 more classes next week and then the following week, and that is actually when you present your cultural scenario projects. So we really only have 2 full weeks left to work. This is the the proposal rubric, and I tweaked it just a little bit. I added a sample of proposal that I received from a previous student. This is another sample, so you're welcome to take a look at those examples right there. I added a link to APA format. I did keep 5 to 6 pages long. I do need to stick to the course objectives. This is the content of your report, like what is necessary to have in there. And this is a sample organization. If you want to take a look at it, feel free. It kind of tells you paragraph by paragraph what to do and what to put in those paragraphs. What I do need though is a thesis statement, and here's a video that explains what a thesis statement is, and then this is the accompanying PowerPoint. Again, this is an outline that helps you get through the organization. In your report, you're going to have direct quotes, summaries, paraphrases, and personal commentary. And so here's this video is a homemade YouTube video that I made to reiterate how to incorporate direct quotes. This is the accompanying PowerPoint. This is a video about paraphrases that's 3 minutes long. It is not homemade. And then here's 5 sources. Here's a video about how to do actual research. And then this is the accompanying PowerPoint. Annotated bibliography is a sample is here, an explanation is this link. What I took out was peer workshop. And I did take up peer workshop. And as far as these dates, of course, they're all past due. So instead of peer workshop, just do NetTutor. Incorporate their suggestions, give them a day to do so, and then also submit the rough draft, and I will also provide you some feedback. So submit it. You can submit both drafts at the same time. It probably isn't ideal, but if you happen to have the time, submit one to NetTutor or submit one to me, and then get the feedback from me and make those changes, and then submit that draft into NetTutor and then make their changes that are suggested. That's what I would do. That would be ideal, but I'm not quite sure how much time you have. So that is what I did. I did tweak that, and then let me introduce to you. Actually, I'll stop here and just wanted to give you an update about the proposal report.